you curious how top YouTubers find the game-changing keywords for their YouTube channel? Well, let me tell you, it's actually not all about high-tech tools. Sometimes the answer is more simple and closer than you might think. Join me in this video as we find creative ways to truly uncover the right keywords for your YouTube channel that your target audience is actually searching for. Hi, my name is Irene and I've been doing SEO for blog and YouTube for over a decade now, and these are the techniques that I personally use based on the best practices in the industry and inspiration from the top YouTube influencers to inspire me to find the best keywords that my target audience are actually searching for. Let's dive in. So the first source of keywords is actually much closer than you think. I'm talking about your friends. These aren't just any friends, but those who embody the viewers you're trying to reach. Engage them in casual conversations about your niche. Listen to how they describe their problems, interests, and questions. So, for example, if you have a channel about vegan cooking and your friend who has an upcoming birthday might ask something like, how can I make a vegan birthday cake? And boom, that's a keyword idea right there. And I say idea because we're gonna use keyword research to fully uncover the potential of that keyword. So in this process, you are just understanding your target audience and the actual things that they might type on YouTube. Now go ahead and watch our other videos so that you can learn more about how to get the data for this specific keywords. Remember, the idea here in this stage is relevance. Your friends' questions and interests can provide a real-world glimpse into the minds of your potential viewers. Jot down their phrases and terms. Now let's talk about Answer the Public. It is one of my favorite tools for the initial keyword research. This tool is like a crystal ball for content creators. Enter a broad topic and it generates a visual map of questions people are asking about the topic. So let's say you enter home workouts. You'll see questions like what home workouts are most effective or how to stay motivated for home workouts. Each of these questions is a potential keyword for your videos. What makes Answer the Public so valuable? Its ability to tap into the collective curiosity of the internet. It's like having a direct line to what your audience is thinking and wondering about. It also allows you to see all of the potential questions related to a keyword, so you'll know the what, why, how, can, who. Use these questions as a basis for your content, answering exactly the questions that your audience is looking for. I especially like keywords that are in form of a question because when I see a question, my mind immediately just answers them. So it actually solves the problem of what I'm gonna say in this video. The next resource is probably your favorite already, Reddit and Quora. These platforms are like gold mines for content ideas. Look for subreddits or Quora topics related to your niche. For example, if you're making videos about personal finance, you will find a ton of subreddits on Reddit, which I love personally, and it gives me a lot of inspiration of what people are asking for. And as a marketer, Quora also has great questions around marketing, especially around trending tools like ChatGPT. So notice the questions people ask and the problems they're trying to solve. These are real concerns from real people, making them perfect for your keyword list. And as a special bonus, you should also engage in these communities. You should post your questions around your topic and you will be able to gauge the popularity and the interest around the keywords that you want to rank for. You can use the number of upvotes and the number of responses based on your question. This initial research and engagement actually allows you to prioritize the keywords that you want to include in your content production. And last but not the least, and this is probably a love-hate relationship for some, I'm talking about Facebook groups. Whether you love or hate Facebook groups, there are a ton of insights there that is just waiting for you to uncover. Let's say you are creating a YouTube video for sustainable living. Join groups like Zero Waste Lifestyle or Eco-Friendly Tips. Observe the discussions and questions that come up frequently. This real-time interaction gives you a pulse on what's trending in your niche, guiding you to keywords that are both current and in demand. So the thing about keyword research is that it usually takes months to update on the keyword tool. Now, if you want to learn more about analytics and keyword tools, make sure to go watch our other videos. And of course, once you have joined the Facebook groups and kind of lurked around, make sure to engage as well. Ask questions and contribute to the discussions. This engagement not only helps in keyword discovery, but also in building your presence with these communities, which can later translate into a more engaged audience for your channel. Now that you have sources of ideas for keywords, it's time to finalize and prioritize them. It's time to use an actual SEO SEO keyword tool so that you can be more precise. So we've linked to another video where we use TubeBuddy to help you prioritize your keyword list. And of course, once you have all of the keywords and all of the content briefs, the next step is to actually produce the videos. And that's where Vidpros come in. Vidpros offers on-demand video editing to ensure your content is as visually appealing, making sure your content is visually appealing and informative. With Vidpros, you can focus on producing good content, knowing that the edits will be looking polished, professional, and engaging. For me, I don't have the talent for video editing, so I just go and show up in the camera, hit record, and this goes to our video editors. So if you want to learn more about Vidpros, go to vidpros.com or click the link below the video. And there you have it. You can always use this process at any time of your journey, whether you're still beginning or you're already a YouTube superstar. These resources and this process will always give you the ideas that you need for your keywords. If you found this video helpful, please do give us a like and subscribe for more videos. And if you have any questions, please comment them below and we'll be happy to answer them. My name is Irene Chan, and I'll see you in the next video.